This is Thomas Taylor with Fine Detail Mobile Detailing. You can check our website out at www.finedetailnc.com. Here we just got done doing a full detail on a Mazda 3. We washed the outside, cleaned the wheels, also put a coat of wax on, cleaned the windows on the inside, cleaned the door jambs, wiped everything plastic down on the interior, cleaned the interior windows, shampooed the seats and the carpets. We also did the engine. We also detailed the motor. Again, thank you for watching. Check our website out at www.finedetailnc.com for more pictures, videos, prices, services that we offer. Thanks for watching.